Okay, so now we're just going to use it more when we're actually putting this into practice. So, the question will say use the table shown to calculate the calories used by the listed activities. Round each answer to the nearest whole number. So, here you've got a table. It says exercise energy chart, calories per kilo of body mass per half an hour of exercise. Okay, 30 minutes. So, the activity, if you were cycling at 15 kilometers an hour, you would use 2.76 calories per kilo that you carry for each half an hour that you're working. Dancing would be 2.2 and handball 507. Who would think you'd get more in handball? But anyway, all right, so let's answer. And remember, we've got to answer. We've got to tell them how many calories and to the nearest whole number. Okay, so we'll just keep it over here. We've got a 72 kilo person dancing for 1 hour. So first of all, we want to check, find the dancing energy rates per kilo per half hour. So we go and we look, okay, there it is, 2.2. So there we go. So it's 2.2 calories per kilogram. Okay, so you're doing the same thing, you're writing it out. So now we're going to multiply both parts by 72 because we've got a 72 kilo person. So in here, that's per 1 kilo. We want to know how much is it for 72 kilos. So we times it by 72 and we get 158.4 calories for 72 kilos. Okay, so that's great. Now what do we do? So they have said the person was dancing for 1 hour. We know that that is how much? For 30 minutes. So how many 30 minutes are there in 1 hour? There's 2. So there are 2 half hours in 1 hour. So we times this by 2 because that would be 30 minutes, and then we need another 30 minutes, and we have to round it to the whole number. So we get 158.4 times by 2, we get 317 calories. Remember, guys, show your working out when you're doing this, okay? Let's do another example. So a 67 kilo person cycling at 15 kilometers an hour for 2.5 hours. That's what I should say. Find the cycling energy rate. So we have a look. Okay, so it's 2.76. So we know that for 30 minutes, it's 2.76 calories per kilo. We know that they are 67 kilos. So we times our kilos by 67 and we times our calorie side by 67, multiply both parts, and we get 184.92 calories for 67 kilos. Okay, perfect. But now we know that they burn those calories in half an hour, but we're training for 2.5 hours. So how many half hours are there in 2.5 hours? Okay, and there are 5 half hours in 2.5 hours. So we times that by 5 and we get 925 calories, which is our answer. Don't forget to show you're working out, line up your equal signs. Love ya!